Heavy rain has struck northern Italy, leaving chaos across Lombardy. In the provinces of Como, Monza, and Varese, firefighters carried out more than 70 emergency operations in a single day. In Turate, rescuers saved a driver trapped inside a flooded underpass. In Varese, a sudden landslide hit Brusimpiano, while in Lavena Ponte Tresa, an overflowing stream forced road closures and disrupted traffic. The Regina Road in Argegno was also shut down after debris covered the roadway. Authorities continue to monitor the situation as rescue teams work tirelessly to prevent further tragedy.